Let's make a collage. You need old magazines and newspapers. My mom made this collage out of her nature photos, and she put it in a picture frame. You can do the same thing with your own pictures. She made this collage of gardens that inspired her and put it on poster board, a foam board with a string to hang on the wall. You can use pictures and words in your collage, like spring, frog, fresh. My sister-in-law made this poster for her wedding. She cut out pictures of things that she liked and did calligraphy as well. You can also cut out individual letters. You can use different fonts as well. I love this mosaic my sister made in high school. She cut out different shades of blue and brown. So it doesn't matter what the object is, just pick objects from a similar color. Isn't it beautiful?